8. More commands on logo. Chapter focus. Pen up, pen down, pen eraser, pen paint, pen color, hide turtle, show turtle, repeat, and print commands. Draw different shapes by repeat command. Calculate by print command. In the previous class, you have learned that logo is a computer language used to draw or to do calculation work. You have also learned some logo primitives such as forward or FD, backward or BK, right or RT, left or LT, home, clear screen or CS, clear text or CT, and Seth. Turtle has a pen to draw a line while it moves. Here are some more commands that control the pen of the turtle to draw more gracefully and in an interesting way. Pen up command, PU. The pen up command is used to move up the turtle on the screen. Under this command, the turtle moves ahead with specified numbers of steps without drawing any line. Short form of pen up command is PU. Pen down command, PD. The pen down command is used to put the turtle's pen down. Under this command, it moves by drawing a line. The short form of pen down command is PD. Pen eraser command, PE. The pen eraser command is used to erase the drawing. This command converts the turtle's pen into an eraser. You can't use this command to draw lines. Use pen up, pen down command to stop the use of pen eraser command. The short form for pen erase command is PE. Pen paint command, PPT. The pen paint command sets the turtle's pen on paint mode to draw lines in color. This command is used after erasing the lines so that turtle starts drawing line again. The short form for pen paint command is PPT. Set pen color command, set PC. This command is used to set the color of the turtle's pen and draw lines in different colors. The short form for set pen color command is set PC. In order to draw colored lines, you need to specify the color code along with set PC command. Table with a list of some of the color codes is given below. Hide turtle command, HT. This command is used to hide the turtle. You can use this command after completing the drawing so that only the drawing is visible on the screen. You can use the turtle to draw lines even if it is hidden. The short form for hide turtle command is HT. Show turtle command, ST. The show turtle command is used to show the turtle again on the screen. The short form for show turtle command is ST. Repeat command. While drawing some shapes in logo, you need to type command again and again. In order to avoid it and save time and efforts, you can use the repeat command to repeat a group of logo commands. Command, repeat number of times to repeat, command to be repeated. Drawing polygons with repeat command. Some examples of regular polygon are triangle, square, pentagon, etc., which can be drawn by using repeat command. The total degree of turns is equal to 360 degrees. To draw the shape, 360 degree is divided by the number of sides, 360 upon n. For example, to draw the shape of a triangle which has 3 number of sides, you need to divide 360 upon 3 to get turning angle, that is 120 units. List of the turning angles for drawing various shapes in logo. Let us draw these shapes by repeat command. Triangle. The repeat command to draw triangle which has 3 number of sides is repeat 3 FD 70 RT 120 HT. Square. The repeat command to draw square which has 4 number of sides is Repeat 4. FD90, RT90, HT. Pentagon. The repeat command to draw pentagon which has 5 number of sides is repeat 5, FD70, RT72, HT. Similarly, you can draw shapes of other regular polygons with repeat command, drawing circles or curves. The repeat command is also used to draw the shape of circles or curves or semicircles. A full circle is drawn with 360 degrees, whereas semicircle is drawn with 180 degrees. Drawing circles. The repeat command to draw a circle is repeat 360 FD1 RT1 HT. In this example, turtle turns by 360 degree units, 360 into 1. You can draw a bigger or smaller circle by increasing or decreasing the number of units used with FD command. Command to get bigger circle is repeat 360 FD2 RT1 HT. Drawing curves. Command to draw curve by using repeat command is repeat 90 FD1 RT1 HT. In this command, turtle moves only by 90 units and draws a curve as shown alongside. Another example. Repeat 180 FD1 RT1 HT. In this command, turtle moves only by 180 units, hence results in semicircle as shown alongside. Print command, PR. In Logo, you can also do calculation works by using print command. It can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Print command is written as PR. Sum command. You can add two numbers by using sum in print command. For example, PR sum 90, 30. Press enter key. Answer displayed on Logo screen is 120. Difference command. You can find the difference between two numbers by using difference in print command. For example, PR difference 250. Press enter key. Answer displayed on Logo screen is 150. Instead of typing sum, difference, you can use signs like plus, minus, star, hash, slash. The commands with these signs are given below. 1. Print 20 plus 10 and press enter key. Answer 30 is displayed on Logo screen. 2. Print 40 minus 5 and press enter key. Answer 35 is displayed on Logo screen. 3. Print 6 star 2 and press enter key. Answer 12 is displayed on Logo screen. 4. Print 100 upon 2 and press enter key. Answer 50 is displayed on Logo screen. Points to remember. Pen up command is used to move up the turtle on the screen. Pen down command is used to put the turtle pen down. Pen paint command is used to set pen on pen mode. Set pen color command is used to draw line in different colors. Hide turtle command is used to hide turtle. Show turtle command is used to show turtle again on the screen. Repeat command is used to draw some shapes without typing the commands again and again. Print command is used to do calculation work.
A. Take the correct option.